I know you don't see it yet, but your older brother sees it. I see it in you, right? I guarantee you that if you have any of these signs in this video, you'll probably have a six-pack down there that you don't even realize. For example, you have never tracked what you've eaten. See, this is interesting to me. Every time somebody comes to me, Jose, I can't gain weight. Or Jose, I can't lose weight. I don't get it. I barely eat. I know they've never tracked what they've eaten. See, as humans, we tend to downplay how much food we actually consume on a daily basis. So I want to challenge you to something. I'm not telling you to go on a diet. I'm not telling you to do anything other than write down everything you eat. You eat a Snickers bar, write Snickers bar and how many calories it has. You had a soda, write Coca-Cola, how many calories. Tuna sandwich, how many calories. You had a Chipotle bowl, how many. So do that for everything. You added sauce, you added ketchup, all right, how much. I want you to track just one day. Don't do this for the rest of your life. Do it one day. I'm telling you right now, you will be surprised as to just how much calories you consume in a day once you start tracking it. Even for those dudes that say, yo, but I barely eat. I promise you, you're eating more than you think. 2, you skip abs. Yes, look, I get it. Your core can be built up in the gym through other compound movements. However, if you want those protruding abs, those highly defined abs, it's summer, bro. You want to show, you cannot be skipping abs. And I get it. After a workout, you're like, all right, I'm going to do abs right after the workout. And once you're done, you go right back home. You skip the ab section in that gym. You cannot do that. I want you to hit the abs to make sure you're reinforcing those muscles to make sure they actually stick out and they're super defined. 3, you haven't been active. Don't think that this means that you have to go to the gym every single day for no. You have to realize one thing. The reality is that you and I, we live sedentary lives behind a computer screen, which means, this is actually a good thing, any extra level of activity outside of you just sitting on your computer behind a screen is a positive, is a good thing. Is a level of activity that your body is not used to that's going to help you increase the calories you burn in a day, which is what you want to show off that six-pack you have underneath. And look, I get it. It's hard to do those things to make you want to get active. Now, you need to hack into your brain. Right, so for me, I like to affect my exterior to motivate my interior. The best way to do that is with clothing. See, I like to put on clothing that makes me want to get active, makes me want to get agile and flow and lift and run and just get out there and do something. And no, I'm not telling you to go and spend on expensive clothing. Matter of fact, I'm telling you to go check out our sponsor H&M. See, their new Move collection from H&M is exactly what you're looking for. See, it'll give you that motivation you need to want to live an active lifestyle, to move more, to lift more, to push more, but it's not expensive. See, that's what I love about H&M. H&M makes styles attainable for everyone, and now they're coming with their athletic collection, which is called their H&M Move. Their entire lineup looks amazing and stylish. It's on point, just like standard H&M. Obviously, all the trends that they have, it's always on point, which usually tend to fit great and highlight the best features of your body. But what's different with the H&M Move collection is that it's lightweight with performance-enhancing fabrics that have been engineered to make you want to get out there and get active, and that's what I'm trying to get at. See, when you wear clothes like that, it's like you're setting yourself up on the exterior, you're looking good in the mirror, and now your interior knows, yo, we gotta go to work. We gotta get out there. We gotta do something fun. This is a hack I do in the mornings. I've told you this before. So when I know I have to go to the gym in the morning or I have to go for a run in the morning, the first thing I'll do is the night before, I'll pick out my fit. I'll make sure it looks good. I'll throw it on. And that way, as soon as I wake up, I already know there's no shortcut. There's nothing else. It's out the door, right? I use my exterior to affect my interior. So if you're that person that wants to just start getting to move, you want to start living a more active lifestyle, yo, H&M is here to support you. H&M's new Move collection will help to get to that active level that you're looking for. If you guys want to check out their new Move collection, I'm going to have them linked down below. As you're seeing right now, the entire collection is sick. It's filled with vibrant colors, which again, it just elevates your mood, which is what you're looking for when you're trying to do a daunting task. If you guys want to check out H&M Move, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, you skip cardio. Similar to abs, this is a big sign that you could be implementing into your life to get closer to that six pack. See, cardio is another great way, similar to the previous tip, to add onto your caloric burn that you need on a daily basis to start shredding some of those layers off and getting that six pack to peek through. And this is why I'm saying this is a good sign that if you're the type of dude that skips cardio, that if you were to implement it, you could be showing off a six pack real quick, real soon. 5, your body fat is over 16%. See, for a man, a primal area where you get to see a nicely defined six pack is 10 to 15% usually, which means once you start getting into the 16 plus area, that six pack starts erasing down to a 4-pack, down to a 2-pack, down to no pack, because there's a thin layer of fat that's covering that muscle area. So the best way to do this at home, if you're not a pro and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can buy certain scales online. They're not too expensive, that measure your body fat percentage using an electric shock that they send through your body to test resistance. So these scales basically measure the resistance that electricity has when it's running through your body to see what percentage is muscle, what percentage is water, and what percentage is fat. Now, this is not highly accurate, right? So it's not precise, but it's a good estimate of where your body is with this body fat percentage that you can then use to kind of gauge as to what you need to implement to get closer to your goal. Finally, rolls us to number 6. You've never been on a diet. Ultimate sign that you probably have a sexy six-pack. If you think you've never had a six-pack and you'll never get it, but you've never done this last thing, I'm telling you, you got something underneath there. See, on my first tip, I told you, just track everything. I didn't tell you to follow any diet. I didn't tell you to do anything in specific. I didn't even tell you to change how you eat. On this tip, what I'm telling you is, once you know how much you're eating, right? And you know how much you weigh, etc., now you can start making a plan for your personal self. I'm not telling you to follow any specific diet because every diet has its pros and cons. What I am telling you is, once you know your total that you eat in a day, let's say the number is 2,000. I'm just going to make a number up, right? You eat 2,000 calories a day, and you notice you're not losing any weight. All you got to do, literally, is cut back 200 calories. So instead of eating 2,000 the next day, you're only going to eat 1,800. If you notice after a week, there's no change whatsoever, okay, that's fine. You're going to cut back another 200 calories. Now, instead of eating 1,800, you're going to eat 1,600. And I want you to understand, 200 calories is not a lot. Just a can of soda is 160, which means you just replacing your soda with water and not changing anything else is about a 200 cut in your daily intake. Boys, I'm telling you, there's a six-pack down there. Just don't see it yet. That's it for your boy. See you next time.